Hi Lily, we're walking sa hallway ng Seaton and we're going up to the third floor for the labor and delivery. So,
Okay.
we're late and they called us already. So
Tinawagan na ako.
here we go.
Sabi ko, we're on our way up. We're on our way up. Here we go.
Third floor?
Nakabukas yung backpack. Pagdikit mo yung both zippers yan. Here we go.
Sorry, we're late.
Yeah.
That's okay. Let's go there.
Oh, she has
You guys are, you guys are moving in?
Yes.
It's so small. It's so small.
Here we go, baby.